How to use ChatGPT without downloading. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you are ever wondering how to use ChatGPT without downloading it on a device, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps mentioned in the video. So first thing first, open any browser. So here let me open Google Chrome. And here you will find search box on top of your screen, so tap on it. Now simply type chat.openai.com or chatgpt.com. So please follow whatever I am typing right now. And once you type it, search for it. And there you go. Here you can use ChatGPT without downloading. If you want to log into your account, you can tap on this login located on top right hand side of your screen. Or else simply tap on this box located on bottom of your screen and simply type whatever you want to ask. In the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe us. So now type whatever you want and then search for it. So this is how you can use ChatGPT without downloading. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.